We have stigmas in our society. And the second you say that someone's accused of a sex crime, a lot of people think the person's guilty, disgusting, terrible. They don't even know one piece of factual basis of anything that was claimed. You need to exploit these cultural stigmas as you go through a trial. There's such an array of different criminal offenses, and all of them come with different types of penalties, potential defenses. And what I often tell clients is you never assert a defense without knowing exactly what you're being accused of. You need to be educated about your charge and know what you're doing when you walk into a courtroom and fight a case.
We're not scared to try a case. Criminal law is what we do. Criminal law is what all of our lawyers have always done, and nothing but criminal law. Our clients' goals are our biggest concern. How do we accomplish what our client wants? There's no such thing as a slam dunk winner or loser. There are always issues with every single case. We sit down with our clients, we go through each piece of evidence line by line, step by step, and we look for the deficiencies in the state's case. Our lawyers have all been either former prosecuting attorneys, public defenders. They have immersed themselves entirely to the criminal arena.
I would say with confidence that I've probably handled more sex crime cases in the last 5 years in the entire state of Ohio than anyone. I know what to do in these circumstances. You need to listen to me and let me guide you through this. Don't immediately jump to the conclusion that you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison. An experienced sex crime attorney will understand the psyche of his jury and make sure that they understand the uphill battle that a defendant's facing from a false accusation. When you walked in that room and they told you that you were involved with a rape case, what were you first thinking? And we have to take those thoughts out of our head and be fair and impartial.
We think it's very important that our clients know that their side of the story is being told, whether that's through them testifying at a jury trial or through a statement of mitigation at a sentencing hearing. We make sure that their voice is heard, and we take our responsibility to give them a voice in this process very seriously.
I implore people that are charged with sex crimes to gather the strength to fight your way through the accusation that you're facing. You crippling yourself into a position where you can't even help me is going to get you a worse outcome. Regain your confidence, fight back, stay strong, stay tough, and weather the course.